Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cash App how to remove family members. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to remove family members from Cash App, what you need to do first is head over and launch your Cash App. Then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, on the bottom of the screen you'll be seeing your activity tab. Simply tap on it, and once you're inside you'll find any transaction from the person you want to block, and then tap to open the details. Then on tapping you'll find the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll find the option that says block this person. Simply tap on that, and once blocked they cannot send you payments, view your cash tag or request money from you. You can also change your cash tag as well. If someone knows your cash tag, you want a fresh username, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then select cash tag, and there you'll find the option that says change cash tag and follow the prompts to choose a new one. And once done, simply tap on confirm and your old cash tag is released. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.